Good day, learners! Welcome again to Grade 5 Mathematics class. Our topic for today is circumference of a circle. For learning competency, solve routine problems involving circumference of a circle. Quarter 3, Module 17. For the recap, let's review what you have learned from yesterday's lesson. You will have 5 seconds to answer each question. Read each question carefully and circle the letter of the correct answer. For number 1, estimate of the value pi. Is it A, 2 and 1400ths, B, 3 and 1400ths, C, 4 and 1400ths, or letter D, 5 and 1400ths? One half of a diameter of a circle is blank. Is it A, radius, B, ratio, C, circumference, or D, diameter? What is the formula in finding the circumference of a circle if diameter is given? Is it A, circumference equals pi times radius, B, circumference equals 2 times pi, C, circumference equals pi times diameter, or letter D, circumference equals 2 pi times diameter? How do you get the circumference of a circle if the radius is given? Is it A, circumference equals pi times radius? Is it B, circumference equals 2 times pi? C, circumference equals pi times diameter? Or D, circumference equals 2 pi times radius? What do you call the distance around a circle? A, diameter, B, circumference, C, radius, or D, ratio? Did you get all the correct answers? Good job, children! Now, let's start our lesson for today by reading and analyzing a story problem. Nadine is making a circular tablecloth. It has a diameter of 5 centimeters. How many centimeters of lace are needed to decorate the sides of the tablecloth? Did you know what kind of a problem is this? Very good! It is a routine problem. What is a routine problem? A routine problem is a type of problem wherein there is an immediate solution. Here are the steps to solve the problem. Number 1, understand. Under the understand, we should know what is asked in the problem. The number of lace needed to decorate the tablecloth. What are the given facts? A diameter of 5 centimeters. For number 2, plan. What will you do to solve the problem? Choose a formula. Since diameter is given, we are going to use this formula. Circumference equals pi times diameter. For number 3 is to solve. Show the solution. Let us now show how we are going to solve the problem. Circumference equals pi times diameter, where diameter is 5 centimeters. So, 3 and 1400ths times 5 centimeters is equal to 15 and 7/10 centimeters. For number 4 is to check. Let's verify if the answer is correct. To check if our answer is correct, Let's use the other formula, which is circumference equals 2 pi times radius. Radius is a half of a diameter. Considering that we have a diameter of 5 cm, the radius now is 2 and 5/10 cm. So, the number sentence is 2 times 3 and 14/100 times 2 and 5/10 centimeters. Let us now first multiply the digit inside the parentheses. 2 times 3 and 14/100 is equal to 6 and 28/100. 6 and 28/100 times 2 and 5/10 centimeters, the product is 15 and 7/10 centimeters. Therefore, Nadine needs 15 and 7/10 centimeter of lace to decorate the sides of the tablecloth. I hope you followed and understood the steps on how to solve routine problems involving circumference of a circle from our lesson today. Are you ready for some activities? You may use Math5 Q3 Module 17 to answer some practice exercises. Like Activity 1, let's practice. For Activity 2, keep practicing. For Activity 3, test yourself. You may pause this video if you have an ample time answering the activities. After you're all done answering these activities, you may use the key to correction to check your work. It can be seen at the end of this video. Now, let us see if you still remember what you have learned today. I will give you enough time to arrange the following steps. Arrange the following steps by writing number 1, 2, 3, and 4 on the blank according to its correct order. Blank, understand, know what is asked in the problem, and what are the given facts. Blank, check. Verify if your answer is correct. Blank, plan. Choose a formula. Blank, solve. Show your solution and write the correct units. Are you all done, children? Get ready to check your work. For number 1 is to understand. Second step or number 2 is to plan. For number 3 is to solve. And for number 4 is to check. Well done, children! Your friend is finding the circumference of a circle with a radius of 25 cm. Will you help him solve for the answer? Why? You may write your answers in your notebook. You may pause this video if you still need time to answer these activities. Thank you for watching today's lesson. See you next time. Goodbye!